Let's go. 205. Go, last set. Let's go. Come on. Don't rush the rep. Make sure you fill up with air. Chest up, head back. Make sure everything's tight. Look at what you got to do. That's it. Come on. Don't rush it. Come out, set up. Fill up with air. That's it. Chest up. Lock.
Oh.
Head back. Head back.
No!
Good job. Good job. Nice.